Here's a quick little walkthrough on how to import a journal, a miscellaneous journal entry from an Excel spreadsheet. First off, we log into the application, we go to General Ledger, Miscellaneous Journals. You can grab the template by clicking the template button here. What that'll do is it will actually download the Excel sheet and give you something like this. You can enter in your GL accounts, any divisional information that you want, the dollars for each with or without decimals, and it does need to be accurate, and then whether it's a debit or credit. This needs to be a balanced entry. Your debits need to equal your credits, otherwise it will not import correctly. You then save this file as a tab delimited file directly to your machine, to your workstation, not an Excel file. I'm overwriting mine. Then you come into the miscellaneous journal and you say, I want to upload. You click the upload button, you select choose a file, it goes to your machine and it says, okay, which file do you want? Pick the tab delimited file that you created and click open, then upload. It'll tell you if it was a successful upload or not. When that's done, you can specify the day you want the journal to post, and it will say, hey, I'm importing, and as you can see here, it's lining up the columns with the columns that are on the Excel sheet. So it's important in this template not to move columns around, delete columns or whatnot. Leave the columns in the order they're in. Click accept. It'll show you the values that it's importing with the information and any errors if there were. Click OK, and it will add these transactions to your journal. So now I can see the accounts, the account description that it pulls from the system, and in this case the division codes, the dollar amounts, debits or credits. And you can make edits or adjustments at this point like you would with any other journal entry. Click accept, and that journal entry has now been imported. Thank you.